Hi dear children, good morning to all. Last class we were taking our first chapter, is it? Planet Earth our home. Yes or no? That was the first chapter. So today we are moving with our second chapter, our Earth, Globe and Maps. Our Earth, Globe and Maps, name of our second chapter. So in the first chapter we said Earth is round like a sphere. Earth is flat at the top and bottom. Earth is like an orange, and I was showing one ball for you. Just imagine this ball as an earth and all, is it? So last chapter we were dealing with all these things. Here in this chapter we are going to deal with the two different things. The one is globe and the second one is map. One is globe and second thing is map. Globe is globe. What is the shape of the globe? Globe is round, is it? And like a knife and all, one line is there. That is, it is fixed. It is known as orbit. Axis, orbit. This term is not new for you, is it? Last chapter also we were dealing with orbit, imaginary line, axis and all. So I am not moving with that one. Today we are moving with the globe. That is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of globe? What are the advantages? That is, uses, or otherwise what all defects when we take globe. So listen carefully. Globe is the small model of the earth. Globe is the small model of the earth, and it shows the true shape. This globe shows the true shape of the earth. Globe is the smallest model of earth. It shows the true shape of the earth. The next one is that the important feature of earth, land and water also can be seen in the globe. Important feature of this earth, that is land and water, can be also seen in the globe. And the next thing is that the position and shape of the land and water can also be seen through this globe. So listen carefully. Globe is the small model of earth. It shows the true shape of earth. Then important features of earth, land and water also can be seen in the globe. And the position of this land, position and shape of this land and water also can be seen through this globe. And the next thing is that we can use a globe to understand how earth rotates and how days and nights are caused. The next point is that when we use a globe, we can understand how earth rotates and how days and nights can be caused. Is it clear for you? When we go through the globe, we can understand how earth rotates. How earth rotates and how days and nights are caused. CAUSAD, how days and nights are caused. So these are the advantages of globe. These are the advantages of globe. And the other hand, we have to say the disadvantages of globe also. Two disadvantages are there for the globe, and the first one is it is very difficult to see or understand the small areas, small places. Globe is like a round. We can see how many places we can see in that globe. So the disadvantages of globe, one is it is very difficult to see the small places. And the second disadvantage is that it is very difficult whenever we are going, it is very difficult to carry the glove. So my dear children, before winding this section, once again we are dealing with our second chapter, our earth, globe and map. And we said earth is like a sphere, and we were discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of globe, and how globe can be used. The important features of earth, land and water can be seen through globe. Then globe helps us to understand how earth rotates and how days and nights are caused. Then we were saying about the disadvantage. It is very difficult to carry, and it is also very difficult to find out small places. So my dear children, before winding, you have to read the text very nicely, and the notes will be given later. Thank you. Have a nice day.